Hi y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a bathroom makeover. Super budget friendly, anybody can do this. It was so easy and the results are very beautiful, so stay tuned. Let's get started. Alright y'all, so I'm trying to decide what color I want. This antique white or this just white. I've been here for 10 minutes trying to decide. Chuck says go with the antique white.
It's flat too, so that makes it where it's not so glossy.
I'm probably going to do the opposite and go with regular white.
Great.
Alright, I'm going to grab some of this stain here because I'm going to do something really cool to the bathroom doors. Alright, we're also going to grab some Sharpies here because we're going to need them for the bathroom DIY. Stay tuned. Alright, so here's the bathroom in its previous state. We haven't really done much since we moved in. We've added a couple of things and done a couple of upgrades, but we really want to get rid of all this and start fresh, but that's going to be down the road. So for now, we're going to do this simple DIY budget bathroom makeover. We did a makeover right here in this little, where the toilet is, so if you haven't watched that, go back and watch it. That really turned out really pretty. Alright, so I found two of these shelves at the Goodwill for, what is it, $7.99. They came from Hobby Lobby. They were originally $79.99. I think I'm going to take down this mirror and then add the shelves back there. I didn't know when I bought these what I was going to do with them, but I think that's the answer right there. So let's get to taking that mirror down. I always knew I wanted to take this mirror down anyway, so finding these shelves was the perfect reason why. Probably glued. Glued up there. I don't want to break it. Probably gonna get Charles to help me. Alright y'all, so it's looking pretty good. I'm liking the white. When you stand back and look in, let me back up. When you stand back here and look, the white's gonna look really good with that wood. But I think I'm gonna try something on this door right here. I actually did it on my front door. It's like you just put stain over the paint and it makes it look like a real wooden door. I'm gonna take y'all in my living room right now and show you my door and how I did that. All right, y'all, day 2, we're getting ready to hit these cabinets. We're gonna do them like we did the doors. Make them have that wooden look. Hopefully it's not too much wood with the floor. If so, we'll paint it, but let's get started. Day 2. Alright, so we're going to end up putting some storage over here, but for now I just had a little idea. So I'm going to clean up this mess. I have way too much stuff over here, y'all. So this is just a catch-all. So we definitely need some storage here. This thing right here is going to fit perfectly in that little cubby hole for now until we get the built-in, so let's see how it looks. Alright y'all, so the paint's almost dry, and what we're going to do next is a Sharpie shiplap wall. I know a lot of people think shiplap's out of style, and some people don't like it. Look how dirty my nails are from staining everything. But yeah, I still love shiplap. I'm always going to love shiplap. I used to have it in my old house, and I did it with this method, and you cannot, unless you're right up on it, you cannot tell that it's Sharpie. So This is a super budget way for you to get shiplap. And as soon as this paint dries, we're going to show you how to do it. Alright, y'all, I'm going to start right here on this wall and show you how easy this is. I'm going to space mine every 6 inches, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just spacing it out every 6 inches, and then I'm going to draw my lines. Look how cool that is. How pretty is this starting to look, y'all? I love it. It is so pretty, and it made this bathroom so much brighter. Those shelves that I showed earlier are pretty heavy, so we're going to just add some anchors to the wall, and then we're going to get them hung up.